Mica 310B ink color sorting system is developed by Colorlight. It enables automatically detecting and sorting the exterior color of MLED modules and PCBs. It features multi-angle, multi-type, and AI-powered color sorting, and simulates various lighting conditions in natural environment, including light strength, spectrum distribution, and light direction. There are multiple cameras detecting from different angles for sorting modules with an integrated AI training algorithm. The system trains itself for auto-sorting threshold and outputs the real-time sorting results. It automatically uploads modules and automatically unloads modules based on sorting results. It supports CIEDE and CIELAB with UBH up to 220 pieces per hour. The ink color, auto detection and sorting is applicable to PCB, COB, SMD, and GLB modules. The width of the transfer track changes automatically, accommodating products of various dimensions, ranging from 125mm by 125mm to 375mm by 375mm. Mica 310B has an internal darkroom, which is ideal for various production environments. Mica 310B ink color sorting system.